Khasi ngalakular banya jalang bapi lar theru lappa ane laprau turbit larawan ka umsao.
Yes, hello guys, Kubno Pilong, Paralog, Khasi people, Meghalaya in general, peace from Africa guys. Yeah, this is my second reaction video after a really long time. I'm back home, South Sudan. Love you all, my Indian viewers, especially Meghalayan Khasi people, Garo people. Are you watching from Garo? I do also have some friends I met from Garo last time when I was in Shillong, guys. Anyway, just know I'm reacting to Meghalayan people in general, whether Khasi, Garo. Yeah, today we have another reaction video by the title Kyrang music Tyngkai Khasi film, guys. So in the Goa, this music video is shot in Goa Beach, as mentioned it here. We have Suchiang. Hello, peace out, brother. Yeah, I know him well. We have also Eibynta. We have Sherilin. I think those, we have Phira. I think those are the actors and actress out here. So no problem, guys. Yeah, let's start. I don't want to talk a lot, and just know I miss you all, guys. I really miss you. We'll talk much. We'll share much more at the end of the music video. Let's listen to this music. We have English subtitles, so for sure I'm gonna enjoy with you guys. Let's go. We have Eibynta Studio. It's one of the best studio out in Shillong, followed up by Amos Studio also. Yeah, I know them very well. This is Goa, man. We are back to Goa. Amazing, beautiful beach out. Let's go, let's go, let's listen. We are reacting from Chwa Syiemlieh production. Syiemlieh production. Oh, tell us more. God love like our food inside a bowl. Never fall, don't let it fall, okay? Like a flower, that's a flower. Never saw that word of my life. Jinget jonga. Don't you worry. Hey, she sounds so beautiful. That will show us where we both belong. We belong here. Oh my heart, man. Wow, the view is just beautiful, guys. The view. While the world moves. Wait a minute, guys. Just want to say something little bit. I don't want to stop the vibe. I already know you love this song. The person who is like the people who won't like this song or who won't love this song, I think those are the single people. This song is so lovely. It's mostly, I think the lovers, whoever is in love, or the couple, they are happy now to watch this out, guys. Wow, what a romantic. Let's go. The view is amazing, guys. The place is so beautiful. This is Goa. You all know well about Goa. Beautiful view. This road is so famous. I love this Goa road, guys. Have to wait too long. Yes, she's waiting. forever. Yes, together is the love.
Kỳ trinh từng trôi kiên văn hấp cầm chính một quay ba là đua chính ý có nín con.
She sounds so beautiful. Is she the singer or just the actress, guys?
Viên ngọc tăng hà rong phong.
Every day.
Lari shipne lakir ang Khasi ngalakular banya lang bapi lara teru lappa ani laprao turbit lara wan ka sao halas no thupa yakata
She's still feeling the love. So wait for me. The flower tribe, if love is true. Indeed, the love is true. And lost by you. This is beautiful, guys. This is amazing. Wow, wow. This drone shoot also, it's just killing, man. Wow, this is really amazing, guys. I think Khasi people now, they're having amazing directors, producers, videographers, man. See the way they're shooting the music video. Yeah, in fact, this should be a movie song. This is so worth watching and so beautiful. Like they choose a really amazing place, Goa. We all know about Goa. Have you been to Goa, guys? Yeah, I just want to let you know because I also been to Goa. Like Goa is amazing, guys. Amazing before. But now if you want to visit Goa, just visit during like festival time or the recommended time. Don't visit Goa just normally, because I had that bad experience visiting Goa normally or randomly without knowing the exact time. Like as a vlogger, I was just wanted to vlog to see Goa, but I wasn't happy about the beach view side. It was kind of boring because I wasn't on the right time. Like it's really amazing when they have a lot of festival or maybe concert out there. But just know Goa is beautiful, guys. It's beautiful. They have amazing beach, and the club around the beach is always on. Don't worry. If you love that life of clubbing, then you can enjoy in Goa. And they also kind of north and south Goa, so they have a lot of amazing places to visit. That side of Casino is beautiful. So amazing. And yeah, the producer, the actor, and the actress, they just kill it. Yeah, they did so well. Suchiang, as usual, you all know how good is he, guys. Yeah, love from Africa, guys. So I just want to let you know, guys, like usually people, I found out that whenever I post other videos, like kind of a vlogs about my life in this channel, people don't watch it. But when I do something related to Shillong, Meghalaya people, like reaction video or my vlogs when I was in Shillong, like people love to watch my vlogs. So, but now I'm back home. I'm back home, Africa, South Sudan, guys. But people don't turn to watch my videos. So I already have another channel, guys. So I usually post other vlogs. So you can subscribe to it, guys, to watch my other vlogs around the other countries, other worlds, because this is where I will be posting in Gabs Gabi TV. But in this channel only, it will be about Shillong reaction and vlog, guys. So support me, guys. I know you will do it. You people are really amazing. I love how you supported this channel, and we are really a big family now. So don't forget to suggest what is next to react and to watch. Yeah, just know I miss you all, guys. Kuplay Shibon, Naiapi, Khasi people, Shillong, Meghalaya, Garo people. Are you here? Love you too. Peace out.